Hello friends, welcome to my digital friend channel once again. I want to share this video for how to activate boot menu in Lenovo Ideapad 320. Many users are facing such issues and they don't know how to trigger boot menu by time-consuming search and Googling. So today I would like to share some technical ideas for make it easy to install Windows 10 from a USB. Bootable with boot menu in Lenovo Ideapad 320. You can see the Lenovo Ideapad 320 laptop in front of me. You need a Novo Switch on the Novo boot menu, a pen drive with minimum 8 GB with Windows 10 bootable loaded by Refast software. If you do not know how to make it bootable in Refast software, see my other video for making bootable USB. Before doing it is important to change some settings in BIOS setup, for which you have to press the power key. Then immediately press F2 to open the BIOS setup or the insert pin procedure described to open the BIOS setup. Carefully see and change the setting which is different from my setting and save the BIOS and exit. Completely switch off the laptop and prepare for the next steps. Insert the pen drive in the USB slot which is located left side of your laptop. And take the pin to insert into the small hole to trigger the Novo boot menu, which is also present left side of your laptop. As soon as you insert and trigger the key, inside the hole Lenovo logo will come in. And then after you can see the Novo menu there. The first option is normal startup, second option is BIOS setup, third option is boot menu and the last option is system recovery. You have to select the third option there to open the boot menu. After that you can see the boot device selection option, where the first option is SATA HDD of your laptop, second option is USB HDD or the bootable pen drive you inserted and last one is the SATA DVD drive of your laptop. Now you select the second option, USB HDD, and press enter. The Windows 10 setup screen will appear. The option to partition your HDD. For any other help you can ask me. Your problem is solved now. Thanks for watching this tutorial on my Digital Friend channel. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care.